In a remote village, nestled amidst a dense and ancient forest, there existed a place shrouded in mystery and fear, the Whispering Woods. For generations, the villagers had avoided entering the heart of the forest, believing it to be cursed by vengeful spirits. One day, a young filmmaker named Alex decided to challenge the superstitions and create a documentary about the eerie legends surrounding the Whispering Woods. Equipped with cameras and a small crew, they ventured into the depths of the forest, eager to uncover the truth behind the chilling tales. As they delved deeper into the woods, a hushed silence enveloped the group, and an unsettling feeling washed over them. The trees seemed to whisper with every gust of wind, their rustling leaves forming eerie patterns against the moonlit sky. The first night in the forest passed without incident, but as morning dawned, strange occurrences began to unfold. Equipment malfunctioned, unexplainable shadows danced among the trees, and the crew could swear they heard distant whispers carried by the wind. As the days passed, the forest seemed to come alive with an ominous presence. Alex became obsessed with capturing evidence of the supernatural, determined to document the eerie happenings they experienced. The crew members, however, grew increasingly uneasy, pleading with Alex to abandon the project and leave the forest. But Alex was driven by the desire for fame and recognition. He brushed aside their concerns, believing that the mysteries of the Whispering Woods held the key to his success. He pushed the crew to continue filming, ignoring their growing fear. One night, as they set up camp near an ancient stone circle deep within the woods, they noticed strange symbols etched into the stones. Ignoring the warnings etched in the village's folklore, Alex stepped into the center of the circle, hoping for a groundbreaking revelation. Suddenly, the air around them grew frigid, and an unnatural fog enveloped the stone circle. The crew watched in terror as shadowy figures emerged from the mist, their eyes glowing with malevolence. Panic-stricken, the crew members tried to flee, but an invisible force seemed to hold them in place. A haunting melody filled the air, sending shivers down their spines. The spirits of the Whispering Woods were angered by their intrusion, and they demanded an offering to appease their vengeful souls. The terrified crew watched helplessly as Alex was pulled towards the center of the stone circle. He screamed in terror, but his pleas fell on deaf ears. The spirits had chosen him as their sacrifice. As the spirits claimed their offering, the forest seemed to let out a mournful wail, echoing through the night. The crew members finally broke free from the invisible restraints, fleeing the woods in terror. They returned to the village, vowing never to speak of the cursed forest again. Alex was never seen again, and his footage was lost within the Whispering Woods, leaving only a chilling legend behind. From that day forward, the villagers stayed clear of the haunted forest, heeding the warning signs laid by the spirits. The Whispering Woods stood as a reminder of the price one pays for seeking fame at the expense of respect for the unknown and the ancient forces that dwell within the shadows.